Hello everyone, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Today we are going to be diving into the letter F within this basic graffiti lettering series here that I have on my channel. If you have any questions about anything that you see or hear throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. Rest assured, I'm going to do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive straight on into this. So for the letter F, we're going to approach it the same way that we do with every other single letter. We're going to start off with some basic rights. And again, this is for basic lettering. We will get into more advanced lettering here, so stay with me. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for me. Now, with that being said, the letter F, there's multiple ways to go about it, and we are going to do an upper and lowercase letter here. So what I'm trying to do is really keep it simple and basic, so that way anyone with very little experience could accomplish what I'm trying to show you in these videos. So let's start off with some basic rights here, and then from there we can kind of continue accordingly. So that's actually one pretty decent F. That's actually another. So actually this right here would work for an upper and lowercase f, and again, to each their own. We can either do an F or we do it something to that extent. That's a little bit more on the advanced side, so we're gonna wait for that. So instead of focusing on a bit more of an advanced one, I'm going to take a step back and we're going to use these two right here, as I do feel like these would be cool demonstrations as well. So where I'm going to begin is I'm going to add a layer, and then I'm going to mimic this uppercase F right here. And to do that, how I'm going to go about doing this is I'm going to create the back of the F, the main part of the F, which is going to be this long area right here. And then I'm going to do the same with this side, and then I'm going to loop it around as best I can, like so. And then from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add that top part of the F, and I'm bringing it down at an angle right here. Simply going to loop it back around and then close it off like so. So that's how I'll go about doing the letter F there. I'm going to close this side off over here. And then here I'm going to just simply add a little round like so. And then from here, what you can do is you can grab your eraser tool and then start taking out what you don't need. So for me, we're not going to need that area right here or this area right here. It can come up to a point there. Just like that, and then come up over here, like so. So I have the foundation for the letter F here. From here I can just kind of finalize it, add the shadows that I see fit wherever I see fit at. And then from there, you can go ahead and add your fill-ins, whatever color that may be, color blending, whatever the case may be. For now, we're going to keep it basic, as it is for basic lettering. So that's how I would approach creating a capital letter F. A lowercase letter f is the exact same way, however, following a different structure, which is going to be this F right here. So where I'm going to begin for a lowercase f is I'm going to begin with the top part. So if I begin coming around like that, I could loop it around this way again, kind of like a candy cane, but not really, because it's going to change here. And then we can simply add a little lump or hump there, and then remove the excess that we don't need. Paint over, and this would be done with paint, of course, or paint markers, whatever we were using. And then over here, I'm going to remove the excess as well. Like so. And then I can fill it in, and we can add our shadows accordingly. Like so. So that is how I would approach it, to each their own. Allow me to blow these up and organize these, and then we can come back. So here are the letters up close. We have an upper and lowercase letter F. Now, I do hope that I'm able to guide you in a better direction. I do hope that I'm able to help you get inspired to start creating your own letters on your end, or at least help you in a better direction. Please note that the idea for this series is not to be the best graffiti artist, but more so to be able to get comfortable with creating letters that we can possibly envision in our head. Long term, this is going to give us much more flexibility with our creativity and our lettering style. Yet again, I truly appreciate your support. If I didn't touch base on something specific, or if you have questions about anything that you may have saw or heard throughout this video, please, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. I also have social medias all under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate the support on there as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.